In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook inbox. If you've ever waited for an important email and wondered whether your inbox is truly up to date, a manual refresh is the quickest way to make sure you're seeing the latest messages. I'll walk you through how to do this in Classic Outlook, and then in the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, so you can use the method that matches what you have. Let's start with Classic Outlook. At the top of the window, you'll see the ribbon. Click the Send Receive tab, then choose Send Receive All Folders. This command tells Outlook to talk to your mail server right away. It pulls in new messages, sends anything sitting in your outbox, and updates all folders across every account you've added. It's especially handy if your connection just came back or if you've been moving messages between folders and want everything to line up immediately. If you prefer the fastest possible approach, use the keyboard shortcut. Press F9 on your keyboard. That triggers the same full send and receive action across all accounts without clicking through any menus. It's a great habit to tap F9 when you need a quick confirmation that everything is synced. You'll usually see a brief status update or progress indicator at the bottom of the Outlook window while it completes the refresh. Now, for the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. In the new Outlook app, look for the View tab. If you see a Sync button in the ribbon, click it. Think of this as an app-style refresh that fetches your latest email and updates your inbox view right away. Depending on your layout and version, the button might appear slightly differently, but when it's available, it gives you a clean, immediate sync without switching screens. If you're using Outlook in a web browser, the quickest refresh is to reload the page. On Windows, press F5. On a Mac, press Command+R. Reloading pulls fresh data directly from the server and displays the newest messages in your mailbox. Keep in mind that a page reload is a full refresh of the browser tab, so it's best to finish any unsaved edits in that tab before you refresh. That's all you need to quickly refresh your inbox and stay up to date. Thanks for watching.